Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a mango and then cut it from the sides like this. Now draw the lines over it by cutting it using the knife or a thin blade. Now you will get a shape like this. Now you can put it on the plates one by one by making few more as such. Now after arranging it, take a cucumber and cut its pulp out of it and then remove the sides and put it in the between. Now we have to take a carrot and then we'll be cutting it like this in the shapes. Now roll it with the help of a sharpener and cut out the peel from it. Now after that we'll be rolling the peel to make a flower. So roll it one by one as shown in the video, fold it like this and then you have to spread it and put it in the between, and then take a cucumber pieces, cut them like this and make heart shape out of it and arrange them. Put the cherry tomatoes over it and it's done. Next, take a dragon fruit. Now cut it into 4 pieces and then you have to arrange it over the plate. After arranging it, take the banana and cut them into thin slices. Now after that, put each one of them and arrange them around the dragon fruit or inside portion like this. Now take a fruit like this or a radish and then cut it from the between. Now cut out the peel from the cucumber and round it and make a flower. Now take the beetroot and then cut them into thin slices like this. So now after cutting out, we'll be arranging them over the plate to make the patterns like this. So cut them like this with the help of a sharpener and then we'll be rolling it to make a flower out of it. So roll it carefully as we are rolling. Now spread it little bit and arrange it. Now take the cherry tomatoes and cut them like this. Arrange them on the outer side and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the radish and then cut them into slices like this. Remove the pulp from the between and give it a shape like this. Now cut them in the slanting way and then cut the pieces over it and then spread it like this. Make few more as such and arrange them in a circular way like this. Now take a cucumber and cut it from the between and remove the pulp. In the same manner, cut out like this to make the stem of it and fix it. Now make the leaves using the cucumber and put it on the sides. And your flowers are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the cucumber and then cut them into slices. Now after that, we'll be putting one by one like this and arrange them. So put it one by one like this, it will look like the wings. Now take another piece and arrange them like this in the closed shape. Now cut small piece of cucumber again in the round shape like this and make the patterns over it and put it in the between to make the body of the butterfly. Now take small piece of cucumber and make its antenna on the top and make its eyes using black seeds or stone. Now take a carrot and make the holes on it. Now take the pieces and decorate it on the wings of the butterfly and it's ready. Next, take a pineapple and cut it from the between like this. Now after that, we'll be cutting the stick from the between of it. Now cut them from the sides and remove the pulp from it like this. Now after taking the pulp, cut it into slices and again arrange it over the slice. Now spread it from the sides on the alternative sections like this. So watch these steps how we have arranged it. Now put them like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.